Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials so you can design without stopping. First, pick your blog image size, 1200 times 628 for open graph or a custom width. Once done, load your brand kit with colors and fonts so everything stays consistent. Then upload hero photos, logos, and any icons you'll use. As you work, place the headline text and meta blurb in a note layer so layout decisions match SEO needs. This prevents rework and speeds the next steps. You now shape the visual hierarchy so readers scan instantly. Start with grids and frames to lock the focal image and maintain even margins. This controls balance. Next, choose two fonts, one display for the headline and one for the supporting text. Set size, contrast, and line spacing to establish H1, H2, and body. Make color choices from your brand kit and check contrast. Then preview at 72 dpi to confirm legibility on typical screens and make micro adjustments as needed. You finish by exporting and preparing the file for the blog so it appears correctly across platforms. Choose PNG for sharp images or JPG to reduce file size. Export at 72 dpi and name the file with keywords. Once exported, add alt text in your CMS and confirm the displayed dimensions. If something goes wrong, like shifting layout or font replacement, reopen the Canva file, reapply the grid, or flatten text to an image. That usually prevents resaving issues and keeps your published layout intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.